Tuesday. Tuesday. This week's Wednesday. Because it's in the middle of my work week. So despite what some people might think, I am not what you would call a morning stay. I'm not what you would call a morning person. In that I am not, oh, good morning, happy sunshine, la la la. Eat. You know, I'm not. I would much rather sleep in. It's just that I can't because I have to adult. And there are adults who adult later in the day because they work later. And that's fine, you know. Go ahead. Be an adult later in the day. You can do that. Did he eat that one? I wanted to eat that one. Aw, man. He might not have eaten that one, and I just can't see, but still. Oh, well, that's fine. I'm gonna have a glass of milk because I am thirsty. And I need my calcium. Glass of milk. So as you see here, we now have a solid green, no longer flashing. There's no flashing here, which means that the charge in the battery is full. So yeah, that's great. You know, I think Russ is excited about the lawnmower too, because he said he could come home and mow the lawn. He would come home and mow the lawn. That's what he said. Really? I don't know. He might. That'd be cool for him to step up and do some actual housework. I'd be fine with that. Barbie needs water and food, and I need a glass of milk. Or you know what? A bowl of cereal. In case you were wondering what coconut oil looks like completely melted in the container, it's that. That's what it looks like. Apparently, it's hot in this, whatever you call it, this closet. So today I decided not to put the conditioner in my hair and not to put in the regular stuff. Today I decided just to do coconut oil. I haven't put it in yet, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to comb it through with my fingers and see what we get. So the good thing about coconut oil, when you put it in your hair and you have extra, you can use it like a lotion. And it makes your skin so soft and smooth. I wouldn't use it on my face, though. That's too oily. Alright. So I'm heating water to make tea. What I'm gonna do is actually make iced tea, so it's gonna take a while. So I'm gonna heat the water. I think I'm gonna go with the vanilla chai, the French vanilla chai tea that I have. I'm making at least 2 bags worth, maybe 3 or 4. I don't know. Anyway, I'm making a bunch so I can have tea. So my friend who does hair, she lives way up north, so unfortunately she doesn't do my hair. She said to go get my hair flat ironed out and then have them trim just like that. That's going to be expensive because it's called dusting. Most salons, or I don't know if I have any like barber shops I could go to or whatever salons, studios for ethnic hair kind of people. Maybe they'd be cheaper. I don't really know. I think it would be fun to have all my hair up in braids. Not, like I don't need extensions. Just my hair, my regular hair, nothing added. I wonder how much that would cost, because that would be fun, I think. I would like to do that sometime. Let's say if I have like, I don't know, $1,100 lying around, I would go do my hair. I don't think it would cost that much, but you never know. So, where are my glasses? Because I can't see without my glasses. There they are. There was this episode of Scooby-Doo back in the day. They, what's her name? Velma. She had her glasses. They were knocked off her face. She's like, where's my glasses? I can't see without my glasses. And I say that a lot now. I don't know why, because I guess it's funny how she said it. I can't see without my glasses. So back in the 70s, I guess, is when that came out. I don't really know. But they made her, Velma, being the smart one, they made her very nerdy. Well, now, being the smart one is the, quote, sexiness. Be the smart one. You know? I personally like, if I'm the smart one, I'm pretty sure I'm late for work, back to work. So, I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you later. That's cool. Alright, it's break time. It's lunch time, to be exact. I like to show you my performance. If you can read it backwards or at all. Can you read it at all? That's me at the top. I am first place at 141.16%. That's me. First place. Slacker McGee. That's right. I'm first. And now I'm going to go work on this. What am I making? Chai tea latte stuff. Okay, bye. I am sitting outside in a bra. It's just like if I were sitting outside in a swimsuit top. So, nobody should have any issues. I think I put too much coconut oil in. Just feels a little greasy. But it'll subside, I'm sure. I'm sure that my hair will absorb that stuff. Yeah. So Russ was talking about he's going to come home and he's going to mow the lawn. And he never, ever mowed the lawn. And I think because it's an electronic thing that he wants to mow the lawn now. I'm not complaining, but I'm just wondering why. Why now? You know what we should have got? Applesauce. We should have got applesauce. We didn't get any peanut butter. Oh yeah, that's right. They were out. I forgot. We didn't buy that many freezer food items. We got like a big bag of chicken. We got some fish or some pizza. I told Russ about tater tot. What's it got? Taco tot casserole. Which I was gonna make tomorrow? No, I don't remember. I remember when I was gonna make it. I can just put one of these. Oh, yep, that's down there now. Kirkland Ocean Spray. They must have like a contract together or something, because Ocean Spray is a brand name. Kirkland is, whatever it is. Not a brand name. Oh, God. Okay, it's not going to fit there. Neat. Guess we'll just put it right there for now until I gotta move it. I gotta rearrange stuff. My butt is sweaty. The AC has not kicked in yet. That's because I have it set to kick in around 5:40. So then by the time Russ gets home, it is cool in here, you know, and then he's not all like, I don't know. He wouldn't be complaining about it. I don't really know. I think he would just turn it on, and I don't know what he would do, but it doesn't matter. Ooh, why is everything all with cords? What is this from? Oh, for his laptop. I don't know. There's so many cords. Look at all the things that we have. This Nintendo 64 we don't play. We have the Xbox Connects. We still have a VCR. Why? I don't know. He hasn't watched a VCR he hasn't watched a VCR tape in a very long time. I don't know why we still have VCR. It's dead technology. Alright, I gotta pee. I know. Holy buckets. Oh my goodness. Oh, shut up. Russ is mowing the lawn. He is mowing the lawn. Yes, he is. He is mowing the lawn. I'm hoping that he's having a beautiful time with that. Because that is fantastic. He is showing initiative to be part of this house. Which is great. Maybe he'll do dishes next. Better not hold my breath on that one, though. JJ is hungry. You want food? You wanna eat? Hey. Shush. Shh. Do you want to eat, JJ? Want the food? Shush. Good. It's a good girl. Hey, good girl. Shush. Sit. Quiet. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. It's a good girl. Quiet. Shh. Stay. Good girl. Good girl. Eat. Oh, so patient. Sometimes just so patient, sometimes not patient. Just, sometimes. I want to sit outside. I also need to make dinner. What was I going to make for dinner? I don't even know what I was going to make for dinner. I don't even freaking know. Probably chicken. I don't know. You know what? I'm going to figure this out and be an adult and make supper. Okay, bye. Okay, I got to show you this. Look, our lawnmower has lights, like headlights. You see that? This is our new lawnmower. We don't have the bag on it, but it folds up like that, what do you call that? Handles? Whatever. They telescope down or whatever, and then it folds, like it's got levers and shit stuff. Excuse my language. Anyway, it's got levers and all that kind of stuff, and whatever. And so it's like, it telescopes out, or it folds down and collapses, and then it's just that. You saw it yesterday, so he's got this thing on really low. Or it could just be that's just the length of what our grass is. Our grass underneath started to die because it was so low. Russ, you can take the things out. Yeah, whatever. I'll just let him do him. Whatever he's doing there. Hi. Hello. He's recording. Okay, have fun with your... Alright. He doesn't want me to record. Kitty wants me to follow her, so I'm coming. let's see what the kitty wants. Where'd she go? Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? The bedroom's still open. Hey, kitty. You, kitty. Hi. You. What is it? What is it, kitty? Why do you want me to follow you? Follow you? Meow. God, it's so hot up here. You have food and water. What? I hear you purring. Ooh! You sit in your square? Or are you gonna run away? We're not. We really need vegetables. We didn't go to the dollar store. We don't have any veggies to make with my fish. Fish. What do you call a fish without an eye? Fish. That's funny. Funny to me. Gigi, do you have to go outside? You gotta go outside? And Russ has finished the front, and now he has decided, he said, I'm gonna hit the back and see how long this thing is gonna last. Well, according to the manual, it's supposed to last at least 2 hours, I believe. And we don't have a huge yard, so it should not take 2 hours to mow the lawn. Alright, well anyways, I'm making fish. I'm trying to figure out a side. And I don't have anything to make for a side dish. I guess I could do rice. Yeah, we might as well. We don't have anything else to go with the fish, so we'll go with rice. Make it different. I'll season it or something. Oh Lord, excuse me. Okay, time for making more food. Alright, so here's the fish. No, it's not burnt. It has seasoning on it. And then my what do you call this? Rice is just buttered rice with Parmesan cheese in it. If you've never tried it, I recommend it. I think it's good. So that's it. Now we're going to eat supper and watch TV. Well, it's past my bedtime. I don't even know what time it is. Probably 11. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:33 p.m.
It's not that far. My eye, you see my eye? It's all watery and red. I've been laying on the couch on this side of my face watching TV. And for whatever reason, it irritated my eye, so that's fun. Woo! It happens. It's my bad eye. Where'd the cat go? Where'd the dog go? JJ. Oh, there she is. Still, you walk on the sidewalk. We got a nicely mowed lawn now. There are grass clippings galore all over the sidewalk. Which, you know, I didn't have them do the bagging. It's fine. I don't really need it to bag it. Sure, I'll broom. Broom? I'll broom. Oh, yeah, I'll broom it. Sweep. Sweep. Sweep, sweep, sweep. I got a push broom. That's why I said broom. I got a push broom. I'll probably push broom the sidewalk on Thursday, I'm thinking. Yeah, so the lawnmower, we got it from Home Depot. It is definitely good for smaller yards. It took Russ probably an hour and a half of mowing. And the battery died. So definitely smaller yards. He says that it runs very smoothly, much better than the gas mower. Oh, sorry. Come on in, Gigi. he said that, no, that's it. It runs smoother than the gas mower, and it seems to cut cleaner. That could be because it's a newer blade, or new blade. But in any case, it's better than the gas mower that we had, and that's great, you know? That's what we needed. So he was going to start the back mower. I think he probably got a third of the way done, and then the battery died. So the battery does not take long to charge. It's been charging. It's not quite done. See, still one bar left. There's probably but it does take a while to charge. I take that back. It's been plugged in since about 8. It's 10 o'clock now, 10:30. In any case, it's a good mower. Hopefully I'll get to use it one day. No. I don't know why he decided that he was going to mow the lawn. I guess it doesn't really matter. Anyways, I'm going to bed. So see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Toodles.